Switch up.
Yeah, I'm just trying to cook my food myself.
Good. Give me them chicken.
I will tell you just a bit cook.
What did they do now? With the curry? I let the person don't feel cook for you. Now you just carry face. That's why your person get one. Cook more chop. Okay, you cook with person chop. I let the person don't feel cook. Now they carry face of person. Don't. I greet you now.
You can't beat me, Joy, for the cook. Abi, you can't greet me.
I can't greet you. I don't come beat you.
Eh?
I don't come beat you. I can't greet you.
Don't try hit me again.
Sorry. What do you want to cook? You know that's a person. Ah.
I say me you can't cook. You say you know they cook. I can't cook, you can't cook the food. Why you can't beat me?
Where you go here, April? I'm the food you want.
You the 40 day my mouth. What's your problem? Why are you hitting me?
I hate you.
Yeah? Who say you come?
Not you.
The first time what I feel do you? Why
Okay, you go cook. You do that talk.
why are you looking for my trouble? Who so sent you? Who is that that sent you? Tell him or she you don't see me at home. I'm very busy.
Go cook. This food you go cook out to the person chop. You don't see anything. You never not opinion. I said the opinion. I said they do the way they chop. I don't let the opinion. Let me help. Where is it?
Madam,
How far?
if you touch me again,
I didn't correct you now.
if you touch me again, what type of that system go happen here now?
What do you have? This is the point.
Try again.
Okay, tell them, go you feed the yam. You don't be next day opinion. Go carry better knife.
Hi.
So, what kind of knife come? I will help you. Go be knife. I be say,
Come here.
I'm rest now.
Kneel down. Just kneel down.
Why would it down? It's can't be down. We can matter be down.
You are probably the whole guy from my house.
Yes. You don't trust me.
Say you're fine.
I got cook pepper in chop.
Help me cook. Cannot they beat me?
See, you say I don't say the airport. Say, okay, you don't leave me now. You don't leave me. Come here. Wait now. I will bet you. Aga! What's the watch up? I don't let you cook. I say.
I don't problem, man. You know how they vex. I don't cook the jam myself. I make you come. Call it for my trouble. Go come.
I don't cook.
Cook am. You know how they vex. Say I don't like cook myself.
I gotta cook this food.
Just cook am.
I don't cook anything.
I beg who did now. I don't fit talk. Cook am. Idiot.
Okay, God.
Yo.
What is happening here?